Hello! Hi! So let's, of course, greet our friends, Prof. Ed Lejano, our artistic director, of course, with Q Cinema. Hindi natin kailangan ipakilala. Si Ms. Manat-Nairit, of course, ang Pangulo ng Quezon City Film Foundation. Si Ms. Kins Quintana, our treasurer of the QC Film Foundation. First Kins. Very good tayo po, dapat dito ka. Si Mr. Paolo Villamina, of course, from our board member of the QC Film Foundation. And wala pa siya dito kasi otherwise narinig ko na yung kanyang boses, si Ms. Lisa Tino, the executive director of QCFC. And from the local government side, kasama ko po ang ating pumaponsihal, the Honorable Dorothy Delarvente, QCFC Commissioner, the Honorable TJ Kalalay, Chairperson of the Committee on Tourism, and the Honorable BG Pumaren of the Cultural Affairs and Heritage. Tama ba yun? And our filmmakers present today, Norvin De Los Santos of Hoy Hoy Inat, Nadia Caliboso of Arso Timeless Night Burning, Jasmine Jim Patenya, Liza Catolico of Luno, I hope I'm getting all these pronunciations correct, ha? Dale of Sipina, ang babae ng Daba-Daba. Gabriela Serrano and Mariana Serrano of Surface Tension, and Gab Rosique of Yellow. And we also have our friends from the French Embassy in Manila. Martin is here, and the Goethe Institute is also here. So, mga kaibigan, magandang araw. Maganda ba ang araw natin? Of course, ayan. So to all our friends from the film industry and all the supporters and members of the media, lahat po ng mga suki ng Q Cinema, maraming salamat sa inyo. Lalo-lalo na sa ating mga kaibigan na sa media na pa-mainstream man o digital, nakasama natin ngayong araw. To start, we are proud to share with you the good news that Q Cinema once again was declared the grand winner for Best Event Hosting in the International Event category of the Association of Tourism Officers of the Philippines, or the Pearl Awards. This is the most prestigious award-giving body of the Department of Tourism. And this is the third consecutive year that our film festival received this recognition. So at the awarding ceremonies earlier this month, we received the Hall of Fame Award as well from the Association of Tourism Officers of the Philippines. Ibig sabihin nun, of course, next year ay disqualified na po tayo. Kasi Grand Slam winner na Quezon City Film Festival. Gusto namin ibahagi ang parangal na ito sa inyo, our dear partners from the media who have been supporting Q Cinema for more than a decade. Today, we are launching the 13th edition of our Q Cinema International Film Festival. Parang kailan lang, umpisahan natin ang programang ito. And from a humble film festival at the heart of the City of Stars, we have grown a formidable platform for outstanding filmmakers, drawing entries and audiences from different parts of the world. Across our 12 successful editions, we have pushed the boundaries of storytelling, giving artists and filmmakers the space to explore possibilities and redefine conventions. Dito sa Q Cinema, sinusuportahan natin ang mga alagat na pelikula na nais pagbutihin ang kanilang mga sarili. Sa prosesong ito, nangahasta yung ipalabas ang mga pelikula na may angking tapang at puso, pati na ang mga kwentong karaniwang itinatago mula sa publiko. We have nurtured this space for over a decade, believing that audiences, especially our beloved Q citizens and fellow Filipinos, deserve access to quality films. As Q Cinema marks its 13th year, we are turning a new leaf as we embrace QC standing as the film city. This is hardly a shift in branding. Rather, it is a bold declaration of what our city has been for over a century, the cradle of the filmmaking industry, and of the people who bring these stories to life in cinemas and beyond. As we declare QC Film City, we honor our past and our present. We pay tribute to the major production studios, starting with Sapagita and LVM, the waves of top-notch directors nurtured by this city, from Jenny De Leon, Lamberto Avellana, Manuel Conde, Manuel Silos, and Eddie Romero, to Lino Broca, Ishmael Bernal, Celso Ad Castillo, and the King, Fernando Po Jr.